Because safety and productivity mean the world to you, you need signs and labels that do more than just identify. You need big impact. With the right visuals, in the right places, and in colors that get noticed, your employees have the information they need at a glance. That way, you can send them home safely every day, maintain regulatory compliance, and keep your facility running efficiently. When you need to take your visuals to the next level, you don't have time to wait around. We have your solution. Brady's new BBP37 sign and label printer has unprecedented capabilities that set the new standard in safety and facility identification. What does this mean for you? The new standard in color. This printer gives you the power to make visuals with multiple colors on one label. After all, colors get noticed. The new standard in label shape. Cut the shapes and text you need to create impactful signs and labels whenever you need them. The new standard in speed. Get labels in a flash, print speeds as fast as 5 inches per second, and material changeovers in just 20 seconds. And it doesn't stop there. With built-in label design applications, along with Brady Workstation's label creation software, creating workplace visuals is easier than ever before. The BBP37 printer also boasts more than 300 label parts with unrivaled material durability. You do the job once and do it right, making you the hero for your facility. Save the day with powerful features that help take your workplace to the next level. Create visuals to be proud of, visuals that make a difference with Brady's BBP37 printer. You'll never know how you lived without it. Visit Brady's website to get started.